windows that we had were original. They were 1934s, and so like Brittany said, they were drafty.
We just got an envelope in the mail.
Yeah. They took out all of our old storm windows and they replaced with the new triple pane windows.
Fun. They're totally energetic, and they're just really nice people.
The main thing is it's so much quieter in the house. You know, we don't even hear anybody drive by or a tractor start up outside, so it's quieter.
And not as drafty, most definitely.
It makes it look a lot sharper, more modern for an older house. Yes, we would recommend Energy Guard. We just say that they're a really good high quality window. It's an investment, you get your money back.